Welcome to our channel, where we bring you the finest in tech reviews. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best 4K dash cams of 2025. Whether you're a road trip enthusiast, a safety-conscious driver, or just love cutting-edge technology, this list has something for everyone. From unparalleled video clarity to innovative features, these dash cams redefine what it means to capture your journey. Stay tuned till the end, as we reveal a game-changing feature in one of these dash cams that might just make it your must-have accessory this year. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. If you want to see more of our content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss an update from us. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 5. Rove R2 to 4K Pro Dash Cam. This innovative device offers cutting-edge technology and incredible features that make it a game-changer for drivers everywhere. From ultra-clear recording to a host of smart options, let's explore why this dash cam stands out. Starting off, the Rove R2 to 4K Pro delivers dual-channel recording with stunning 4K resolution at the front and 1080p at the rear. The ultra-wide angles, 150 degrees for the front and 140 degrees for the rear, ensure comprehensive road coverage. Whether it's bright daylight or subtle details at night, every moment is crystal clear. This dash cam excels in low-light conditions thanks to its Sony STAR-VIS2 sensor. The f1.5 and f1.8 apertures enhance its super night vision capabilities, capturing vivid colors and sharp details even after sunset. It's perfect for night drives or dimly lit environments, giving you peace of mind round the clock. With built-in dual-band Wi-Fi, the Rove R2 to 4K Pro makes it effortless to access your recordings. Using the Rove app, you can download videos at up to 20 megabytes per second, manage settings, and even update the firmware. Sharing your favorite road trip moments has never been easier or faster. Another standout feature is the integrated GPS. It tracks your speed, location, and routes, and stamps them onto your videos. You can easily replay these details with Rove's free GPS player software. Whether for personal use or evidence, it provides an added layer of reliability. From motion detection and loop recording to a custom-designed parking mode, the Rove R2 to 4K Pro is packed with advanced options. It even supports up to 1 terabyte micro SD cards, giving you all the storage you'll need for long journeys. The Rove R2 to 4K Pro Dash Cam brings innovation, quality, and practicality together in one package. Whether you're prioritizing safety, convenience, or stunning visuals, this device delivers on all fronts. Number 4. Garmin Dash Cam 67W, a pocket-sized powerhouse packed with advanced features. This little device offers unparalleled clarity, smart functionality, and robust design, making it a must-have for drivers. The Garmin Dash Cam 67W is discreet and unobtrusive, sitting almost unnoticed on your windshield. Despite its size, it records in 1440p HD with Garmin Clarity HDR optics, ensuring crisp detail day and night. Its 180-degree wide-angle lens captures more of the road, keeping you covered in any scenario. One standout feature is its voice control, available in multiple languages. You can save videos, take snapshots, and start or stop recordings with simple voice commands. This hands-free functionality enhances safety by letting you stay focused on driving while managing the dash cam effortlessly. Convenience is key with its Wi-Fi connection. Recorded videos automatically upload to a secure online vault, making sharing and accessing footage seamless. Whether it's for insurance claims or memory sharing, this feature ensures you have your videos whenever and wherever you need them. Even when parked, the Dash Cam 67W has your back. The parking guard monitors activity around your vehicle, alerting you to any incidents via the Garmin Drive app. Additionally, Live View lets you remotely monitor your parked car, offering peace of mind, especially in unfamiliar areas. Designed to encourage safer driving, this dash cam offers alerts like forward collision warnings. Plus, its durable build is designed to withstand extreme conditions, ensuring reliable performance in any environment. It's truly a dash cam you can rely on. The Garmin Dash Cam 67W combines cutting-edge technology, convenience, and reliability in one compact package. Whether you're commuting or exploring, this dash cam ensures you drive with confidence. Number 3. Nextbase IQ Smart Dash Cam. This cutting-edge device isn't just a dash cam, it's your personal driving companion. Stay tuned to discover its unparalleled technology, including eye-powered monitoring, advanced safety modes, and a glimpse into its future innovation. Starting with its smart sense parking, this feature offers proactive protection. Equipped with proximity sensing AI, the IQ monitors movement around your vehicle. It provides instant alerts for potential threats and allows you to intervene with voice commands or an alarm, giving you the power to protect your car even when you're away. Guardian mode ensures you stay in control, no matter who's driving your car. By setting speed and location limits, you'll be alerted if they're exceeded. Plus, with the IQ app, you can access live front and rear camera feeds and even communicate directly with the driver, enhancing safety and confidence. When you're feeling unsafe, the witness mode steps in to provide backup. Simply say, "Start witness mode," and the IQ will record the incident, lock the footage, and share it in real time with a trusted contact. It's like having a digital guardian in your car, ensuring you're never alone in tough situations. Emergency SOS response could be a lifesaver. If an accident leaves you unresponsive, the IQ automatically contacts emergency services, sharing your location and medical details. This feature ensures you receive help quickly, providing peace of mind for you and your loved ones. RoadWatch AI, which brings an unprecedented level of detail to your recordings. By identifying the speed of nearby vehicles in any video, it offers powerful evidence to support your case in disputes, making it a revolutionary addition to the dash cam market. The Nextbase IQ Smart Dash Cam redefines road safety with its intelligent features and forward-thinking design. From Guardian mode to RoadWatch AI, it's truly a game-changer for drivers. Number 2. Nextbase 622 GW Dash Cam. A cutting-edge device built to provide crystal-clear footage, advanced safety features, and seamless connectivity. Whether you're a daily commuter or road tripper, this dash cam is designed to impress. The Nextbase 622 GW offers ultra-clear 4K recording at 30 FPS, capturing intricate details like number plates with stunning precision. You can also choose 1440p HD at 60 FPS or 1080p HD at 120 FPS for smoother footage. With the optional rear camera module recording in full HD 1080p, your car is fully covered from all angles. This dash cam features three words integration, a life-saving tool that pinpoints your precise location, even offline. In emergencies, you can share your exact whereabouts with friends or emergency services, ensuring help arrives quickly. It's reassuring to know you're always traceable, no matter where the road takes you. Vibrations are no match for the Nextbase 622 GW, thanks to its image stabilization technology. The result? Crystal clear footage with minimal shake, so you can capture details like number plates or road signs effortlessly. Plus, the super slow motion feature allows for detailed playback of crucial moments. Driving in fog or low light? No problem. The Nextbase 622GW's enhanced night vision and extreme weather mode ensure outstanding clarity even in tough conditions. Its advanced sensor technology and inbuilt algorithms make this dash cam a reliable companion for night or adverse weather driving. With Alexa built in, you can control your dash cam, make calls, play music, or check the weather hands-free. Hypersync Wi-Fi allows fast video transfers to your phone, making sharing and reviewing footage on my Nextbase Connect seamless and convenient. The Nextbase 622 GW dash cam combines cutting-edge video quality, smart features, and reliable performance into one exceptional device. Whether it's safety, convenience, or connectivity, this dash cam delivers on all fronts. Number 1. VIOFO A229 Pro 3-channel 4K HDR dash cam. This state-of-the-art dash cam takes video recording and security to new heights with its triple-channel setup and cutting-edge features. The VIOFO A229 Pro boasts front, rear, and interior cameras, recording at 4K, 2K, and 1080p resolutions respectively. With Sony STARVIS2 sensors, it delivers crystal-clear footage day and night, capturing everything from license plates to scenic drives. This all-around coverage makes it an ideal companion for family trips or rideshare drivers. Equipped with HDR technology and Night Vision 2.0, this dash cam excels in low-light conditions. It balances highlights and shadows for clear and detailed recordings, even during high-speed drives. Whether it's a dark highway or a dim parking lot, the A229 Pro ensures exceptional clarity, no matter the time or setting. With hands-free voice commands, managing this dash cam is effortless. From locking videos to adjusting Wi-Fi settings, its intuitive voice control ensures distraction-free driving. Plus, voice notifications keep you updated on settings and memory card issues, promoting a smoother and safer driving experience. The A229 Pro's 24/7 parking modes offer flexibility and reliability. It captures footage before and after motion detection with its buffering feature. Choose from auto event detection, low bitrate, or time-lapse modes to save storage and protect your vehicle, even when you're not around. This dash cam connects seamlessly to the VIOFO app via 5 GHz Wi-Fi for quick video sharing and configuration. Its ultra-precise GPS records speed and location data, while the included corporal filter minimizes glare for enhanced image quality. The VIOFO A229 Pro 3 Channel 4K HDR dash cam is a game-changer for drivers seeking safety, convenience, and premium features. From stunning video quality to smart technology, this dash cam covers it all. When selecting a dash cam, consider factors such as video resolution, field of view, parking mode capabilities, driver assistance features, and budget to ensure the device aligns with your specific needs and preferences. I hope you found this video helpful. Please feel free to leave a comment suggesting future videos or questions you have, as we love getting to respond to as many of those as we can. And if you subscribe to the channel, welcome to our Product Review City family. We've got lots more videos coming your way. Till then, stay safe, stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.